figures about the fact that the number of registered drones has overtaken the number of registered aircraft. The trend in number of drones is increasing and maybe, I would say, exponential.
It's a debate which has to involve a number of actors which are not the normal aviation actors. We have to involve NGOs, we need to involve the citizens at large. I don't know how we can do that, but possibly people who are potential users, but also people who are not users and who will just suffer, quote unquote, the nuisance.
Working together and the collaboration across industry, across the regulators is key, so we can collect the appropriate data.
Green gate, purple gate, into the yellow ladder. 1, 2, 3 times, round that, out, through, back through the timer.
And we've come up with, I think, what is a very useful declaration summing up the week's work, looking at all the innovation that's going on in drones, the markets that are emerging, and very importantly, at the regulatory framework, which we need to develop in order to enable innovation, investment, and regulation to move forward together on drones in Europe.